Okay. Is this thing recording? Okay. Hey, Puppies here. Welcome back to my brand new YouTube channel. And today, I will be seeing Hey Puppies 946 channel. Anyways, guys, let's see this channel. Okay, so I'm on my channel, so I'm on YouTube, and then what I have to do is I will definitely have to pick which one I like. Let's view my library. Help! I'm not watching that. What do you mean? What? Why are my videos still uploading? Hold on. Let me delete one. Much better. I don't even know why is my video not uploading. Maybe it would take like an hour, like a day. Maybe this is my big file size, so that's why it's not uploading. Anyways, let's see my YouTube channel. Let's see my let's check my let me just see my, let's see, Hey Puppies 940.
Hey guys.
Alright, so there it is, and I just actually put it. Let's just actually type. That's not my channel. That's somebody's channel. And he has a lot of views and subscribers. Why the heck I don't just try to. That's not mine. I'll just try to select on, like, over there.
Hey.
Okay, so I'm on his YouTube channel, and then I turn on post notification, but I'm gonna lock it because I don't deserve all of the videos. Do you know why? He stole my channel thumbnail! And also, there's no little puppies right there. I think I should probably end your video and I'm gonna hack you. Okay, let's actually look for something. But let's just actually hit the like button.
Oh God, I'm gonna fart.
Fart?
I'll just blame it on the person next to me.
I think I ordered too much food.
Oh, I really love this. Wait, is that me? Alright, I think I liked this video, but I hit your like button already. Why are you screaming? Hold on, guys. I need to wash my hand. I need to wash my face. My face is a little bit dirty. Puppies, wash your face. Your face is dirty. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. I'm back, guys. Let's continue watching. Puppy, did you wash your face? Yes, I did. Yes, I did, Dad. Alright, puppies, I was just watching.
Hey puppies, your tablet is gone. Wait, what? Let me see. It's empty. Here, puppies. Puppies, I think Cookies take that tablet away. Cookies! What's wrong? Cookies!
I can see your face. Are you thinking that you have a face reveal?
I'm sorry.
Okay, guys, Ryan thinks he can do this challenge without falling. Let's see this.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
See, Ryan's gonna fall or not.
I wanna try.
Yeah, you
so easy. Like, why
see.
would I?
What was
Okay,
that
guys,
for?
Ryan thinks he can do this challenge.
No. Oh, and by the way, I liked your
guys,
video.
Ryan thinks he can do this.
No, don't drop the monster. No. That's her teaching a lesson. No. Man, I'm still not liking your video. Wait, is that me? I don't see me. Oh, here's my YouTube channel. Thank you. Oh, and by the way, I liked your video.
Hey, put your phone away.
I'm not gonna do that.
Maybe
Is
you
that
should
my
put it
video?
away.
He
Did I just
wasn't
upload?
listening.
Okay then, no more recess.
Yeah, he
No
wasn't
more computer
listening.
lab too.
And he didn't have any laugh.
That goes for
And I
you
use
too.
YouTube.
Hey, what did I do?
I get an
Because
A, you both get an A.
Hey,
I'm not liking
put
your
your
video.
phone away.
Oh my god, there's a lot of people. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to be alone thing through the hour.
What? You kidding me? Wait, I'm getting a comment. I got 3 comments. Well, you did what? I'm sorry, puppies. We both got our channel. I'm gonna reply to you. And, oh, come on. And sent. That should teach you a lesson.
Puppy's time for your monthly bath. No.
Wait,
Puppy's
is that my audio that I just actually did?
Wait. Puppy's, that's a dog. Puppy's time for.
I think it's basically not good. Let's try to make another. Let's see another video.
I think I ordered too much food.
I'm so hungry, I haven't eaten for days.
Is that my audio?
Can't eat all this. I'm running late. I better go.
What? He left all that food there. I'm going to try and take some. He isn't going to eat it anyway.
Hey, get out of the store, you bum!
Can I please just have that person's food? He's already left and he didn't eat it.
No way! Get out of here, you freeloader!
You're just going to throw it in the bin anyway.
Last warning, buddy. Out!
I think I ordered too much.
Oh god, I'm gonna fart.
Fart? I don't want it. Oh, you know what? I love this. I like this video. I didn't upload this, or that, or this. I will happily have to upload all of these later.
Hi, my name is Puppy.
What? Did you just actually copy
Why my
mine?
voice look like this? Let me change it back.
Maybe I should probably like your video.
Good.
Hi, my name is...
Ah, that's screaming.
Hey, little puppies, you want to open it to the switch? Yes. Okay. Okay. It's empty.
What do you mean it's empty?
Puppies, puppies, I think the new puppies just take that book away. Hey, new puppies! Alright, so this is what it's gonna call it about. Hey! What is it, puppies? Did you just take my book? I'm sorry, puppies. It was super good. I can't even believe it. Give me that. Hey, no, it's my book. It's my... Alright, no more book. Alright, no more book.
I don't know what that means.
When I was gonna... Puppies!
What's that wrong with you, puppies?
Oh my god. I gotta do something.
Hey, little puppy, do you want to open a Nintendo Switch?
Did you just actually steal my audio?
Okay, then.
tablet.
Your tablet?
Puppies. I think Bowser take that tablet away.
Bowser took the puppy's tablet?
Wow, I like it. What is it? Puppy, come, Bowser. What is it, puppies? Did you just take my tablet back? I'm sorry, it was very good. Give me that. No, give it back, give it back, give it back, give it back. That's it, they're gonna beat you up. Watch me.
What? Did the puppies just actually beat up Bowser? That's not
Where's
good.
my tablet?
Wait, what's this?
Puppies, what happened to you? I'm gonna do something.
Ha, I can see your face. Ah! Is he gonna drop?
Let's arm wrestle.
What? Hold on. Is that your face? Maybe that's a face reveal. And then you just actually tag your name? I don't even know what does that mean. It just Marsha 6000 just punched by puppies. What's this? Dance buddy?
Hey, Penny, come here. If you're not ready.
Oh, hold on. There's something wrong with my...
What was that? Oh, hey, it's puppies. 097.
I don't know what you mean. I was just telling you that why did you steal my channel thumbnail? I'm not liking your video.
We got Prime, boys.
Is that my audio?
We got Prime, boys. We got Prime. We got Prime, boys. We got Prime. We got blue raspberry. We got ice pop. We got tropical punch. We got all the Prime. We got Prime, boys.
Let's arm wrestle.
Oh, arm wrestle?
You're cheating. Ah!
What's wrong with you?
Let's arm wrestle.
Papa, the half what you look you do down and try to pop the Lulu.
Huh?
I found it. You guys get Papa the Lulu and make it ready. Yeah! My balloon box. I told you.
What? What do you mean, Pop? What do you mean? Is that my audio that I just did?
Hey? But yeah!
I don't know what that means.
It's baby pink.
Baby pink?
He's caught on an iceberg. A baby penguin caught in an iceberg. What's a penguin? What's an iceberg? Look, it's baby pink.
Principal,
Okay.
I have 3 students here who are in trouble. All right, I'll just go.
Is that my audio?
Why are you here? I threw my desk
I'll
out
hit the like
window
video.
during a test. That's fine. We'll just buy a new desk. You're good. All right, cool. Moving on. Why are you here? I pulled the fire alarm during class as a prank. You actually got me out of a really boring meeting when you did that, so you're good. All right, thanks, G. All right, and why are you here? Oh, I was caught eating food during class. You were caught eating what during class? Food? What else would I be? Detention! For eating? Are you kidding? Yes! You should only eat during lunch when we feed you. You want me to eat that? The food you serve us is inedible. Oh, please. You can eat it. No, we can't. It's not like we're giving you prison food. You know, I read prison food is actually better, so... So you're saying this school is a prison now, huh? The way you're running it? Yes. You know what? You just got another detention. Hey, you can't... And that's 3. Dude, stop! 4. Keep it up. I'm just gonna keep adding detentions, all right? Detention. Why? Because I don't like your face. Huh? Principal, I have 3...
We're at Mom's shop.
What?
I can't let you go now. I've got you. I can't let...
I don't know. Let me just leave a like and comment.
I can't let you go now. I've got to.
Why there's so many?
I can't.
Apple picking.
There you go. Huh?
Hey! He's back here! Get back here! Apple!
Apple?
Oh man, I love to relax.
I can't let you go now. I've got to.
What's that?
We got fun, boys.
Okay.
We got fun, boys. We got fun. We got fun, boys. We got fun. We got blue raspberry. We got ice pop. We got tropical punch. We got all the fun. We got.
Huh?
Hello guys, welcome to our class. Hello.
What do you mean?
I'm Petty. And I'm short. First up, we're gonna do test. And I can explain everything. What is
Mommy, what are you doing?
that's not funny. Why is Mimi hitting me? I'm not that you.
I'm not sure.
Firstly.
Where did Moody Bird go? I don't know.
P for puppies.
Where did Moody Bird? I can't let you.
Nap time. Good night, school.
Hey guys.
What?
Fresh lemonade. Freshly squeezed.
Billy.
Hey guys, I want.
Hey puppies.
Dookie's book.
Man, I'm sleeping in here. Hey, Charlie.
They say
Time to watch the Mr. B.
Puppy's going to school. Maybe I'll hit the like button.
Time to watch the Mr. Beast. I gave gambling addict.
Oh.
No, I'm too tired of all of my lore.
See?
And look at the pillows.
The pillows?
You can. Hey, look, guys. Today I got a new couch. Look.
I love your new couch.
It.
1, 2.
I'm gonna hit the like button.
Guys.
1.
I hopped into a coffee shop, and then my jaw dropped in shock when I saw a girl who had cool pants.
1, 2. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4. I baked you a pie.
Oh boy, what flavor?
Pie, pie, pie.
Dad, I'm hungry.
Hi.
I'm back.
I need to put our names in Bowser? What was that for?
1, 2. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4.
Puppies, what are you doing?
Nothing?
What's on your head?
Hello, guys. Today we're gonna go download the Kind Master.
Wait, this is my video that I just did? Maybe Hey It's Puppy 946 is talking about my channel.
Happy birthday.
It's Kime. That's not this one. It's kind. Yeah, click There you go. There we go. I'm gonna wait for a while. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. That's pretty cool. Let me like the video.
Okay, so today we bought the brand new Grimace Shake.
The Grimace
Happy birthday,
Shake?
Grimace. Let's go
Do you
ahead and try
remember
this
that I
and
just
taste
uploaded a video?
it. It kind of has like a... Okay, so today we bought the
That's
brand
another
new
one.
Grimace Shake. Happy birthday, Grimace. Let's go ahead and try it and see what it tastes like. It kind of has like a...
Puppies, come inside or you'll get abducted by aliens again.
Can I you?
Oh yeah, aliens!
Told you.
What's going on? Oh, buttons!
Puppies,
Christmas too. Hey, it's probably the 187 miles to hand, cookies to hand. It's little puppies? Like...
think that. One.
Remember that? At home here. Who's that?
Is that McDonald's?
Hey, wait.
That's your bus? Why not the yellow one? Huh?
Oh, cheesy.
I think that's from Bowser.
Into a coffee.
Time to watch some Mr. Beast.
Hey.
Okay, I think that's all the videos for that's too many. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.